the pouring of liquid nitrogen. In case during any of these demonstrations you wonder how we get the liquid nitrogen into the glass dewar, here's the answer. We decant it from a 10-litre liquid nitrogen dewar, which itself is filled from the university's nitrogen stack. When pouring liquid nitrogen from one dewar to another, you do need to take some precautions. Just in case there's a spillage, do not push yourself up against the surface on which you're pouring. You really don't want liquid nitrogen sticking into your clothes around your belt level. The white cloud that's coming off the liquid nitrogen is obviously not nitrogen. It's that the nitrogen gas that's been formed in the dewar is 220 degrees centigrade below the boiling point of liquid nitrogen, is simply condensing water vapor from the air as cloud. The energy for the change of state is coming from the inside piece of glassware within the dewar itself, and when the bubbling subsides, it's pretty much because the liquid nitrogen and the inside glass of the dewar that's in contact with are at the same temperature.